What's going on, everybody? Wayne's Workshop here. I wanted to do a quick video and announce the two winners of the Armorsmith product key treasure hunt. There were some honorable mentions that were wrong, but they're still funny. Luckily, a few right ones also. We'll throw those in a random name picker. But first, let's show the clip on what the letters were and what the two words came out of that. Sometimes like this, or maybe something like this. Then it's just a simple step of grabbing all. I won't be needing them because I'll only need these templates, because also this one, and then score. I'll get these nasty ass contact glue blobs. Same for the other side. The Armorsmith and how to fix some certain mistakes. We just built the shin and the knee cover. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you had all those letters, it would spell Remayoadriner. Well, that is not two words, of course, but if you jumbled them around and you figured it out, it's spelled Randy Armor, or Armor Randy. That didn't matter as long as you got that one. There were some honorable mentions that were wrong, and those were Nard Armory, so armored balls or something, Ramrod Yarn, Random Mary, Armory Darn, Randy's Armory, almost that one, Ray Darmer, that sounds like a serial killer for some reason, Armor Road, and Army Mary. So we got two Marys in there. But alas, those were wrong. It was Randy Armor. 7 of you had it right. I have your names in this random name picker right here. I just used your Gmail or your email names, removed your last names. So I'm just gonna pick 2 winners now. Pick a random name. This is one. Rebecca Lane W, you get 1 copy of Armorsmith for free. And the next one is Adam Y. You also get a random or a Armorsmith product key. I'll send you the links in your emails. Congratulations to the 2 winners. Stay tuned for episode 3, where we will assemble the rest of the boot. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. If you learned something from the video, please share this within your cosplay groups to also help your fellow cosplayer. We also have a Ko-fi account. Please consider donating a coffee. This helps support and grow the channel. Link in the description. Thank you so much.